Hello everyone. Here is your quick and clear weekly update on the Indian stock market. After 6 consecutive weeks of losses, the Indian stock markets ended on a positive note this week. The Nifty 50 advanced by 1337.50 points, finishing at 24,050.60. The BSE Sensex advanced by 4,230.70 points, finishing at 77,550.25. And the Nifty Bank advanced by 4,364 points, closing at 55,912.75. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, all sectors ended in the green, with realty emerging as the biggest gainer. The Nifty 50 recorded negative participation, with 44 advances and 6 declines. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Shriram Finance, Adani Enterprise, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicle, Axis Bank and Bajaj Auto. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Coal India, Sun Pharma, Infosys, ONGC and Tech Mahindra. On the investment side, domestic institutional investors recorded net inflows of 20,540.97 crore, whereas foreign institutional investors recorded net outflows of 19,149.78 crore. Here is a brief overview of this week's market news. Wipro has secured an over $1 billion AI transformation deal from Olam and will acquire Mindsprint, which employs around 3,200 employees to strengthen agri-tech capabilities. Eicher Motors, parent of Royal Enfield, launched a 2026 Hunter 350 base premium variant with new colors Mumbai Yellow and Moonshot White and upgraded features to attract young urban riders. Bharti Airtel has added over 4,300 5G sites in East Uttar Pradesh, covering 34 million users, and launched 399 rupees unlimited 4G and 5G plan for 28 days. Tata Steel has reported record financial year 2026 with 23.48 million tons production and 22.53 million tons deliveries in India. Global performance stable with growth in Netherlands and Thailand, while UK volumes declined. Reserve Bank of India keeps repo rate unchanged at 5.25%. Financial year 2026 growth estimate raised to 7.6%. Financial year 2027 inflation projected at 4.6%. Infosys has partnered with Harness to accelerate AI-driven software development using Topaz and Cobalt platforms. Titan Company quarterly for financial year 2026 consumer business grew 46% year-on-year, led by strong jewelry demand and global expansion. 170 stores added, taking total count to 3,603. International business jumped 156% year-on-year, while watches grew modestly and smartwatches declined. Dr. Reddy's sold Swas Wellness subsidiary to Enspirit Technology Services Private Limited on April 7, 2026, with negligible revenue contribution. Max Healthcare acquired 58.4% stake in Kalinga Hospital for 300 crore rupees to expand presence in Bhubaneswar. NTPC Limited signed a non-binding MOU with Electricité de France to explore nuclear power projects in India. NTPC also increased capacity of 2 Dadri units from 490 MW to 500 MW each, taking total installed capacity to 89,128 MW. Mahindra & Mahindra will invest 11.17 crore rupees to acquire a 26% stake in Neon Hybrid to develop a 30 MW solar project in Punjab, supporting its renewable energy strategy and captive power requirements. Eicher Motors launched its first electric bike, Flying Flea 6, under Royal Enfield's new EV brand, city-focused with 115 km/h top speed, 3.91 kWh battery with fast charging. TCS results income rise 4.68% year-on-year, profit marginally higher with 1.34%. The company declared a 31 rupees final dividend per share, taking the total financial year 2026 dividend payout to 110 rupees per equity share. TCS renewed partnership with Marks & Spencer for AI-led digital transformation. Tata Steel acquired remaining stake in Tata Steel Colors, gaining 100% ownership. JSW Steel produced 30.14 million tons in financial year 2026, up 8% year-on-year. Output improved after upgrades at the Salem plant, while production was slightly impacted due to shutdown of blast furnace 3 at Vijayanagar for capacity expansion. That's all for this week's market roundup. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.